Hello and welcome to Future Tech, where we will explore the concept of artificial neurons, the basic units of artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are computational models that are inspired by the structure and function of biological neurons in the human brain. What are biological neurons? They are specialized cells that can receive and transmit electrical signals through their connections with other neurons. These connections are called synapses, and they have different strengths or weights that determine how much influence one neuron has on another. The signals that neurons receive are called inputs, and the signals that they send are called outputs or activations. The output of a neuron depends on the sum of its inputs and a threshold value that determines whether the neuron should fire or not. This process is called activation function. Artificial neurons are mathematical functions that mimic the behavior of biological neurons. They have one or more inputs, each with a corresponding weight, and they produce an output based on their activation function. The activation function can be linear or nonlinear, such as a step function, a sigmoid function, or a rectifier function. The output of an artificial neuron can then be used as an input for another artificial neuron or for some other purpose. Artificial neurons can be arranged in layers to form an artificial neural network. The simplest type of network is a single-layer network, where each input is connected to each output. A more complex type of network is a multi-layer network, where there are one or more hidden layers between the input and output layers. The hidden layers can extract more features and information from the input data and improve the performance of the network. Artificial neural networks can learn from data by adjusting their weights through a process called learning algorithm. One of the most common algorithms is called backpropagation, which involves calculating the error between the actual output and the desired output of the network and then updating the weights accordingly. Artificial neural networks have many applications in various fields, such as computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, machine learning, and more. They can perform tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, dimensionality reduction, generative modeling, and more. In this video, we have learned about artificial neurons, how they work, how they are organized in networks, and how they can learn from data. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching and see you next time.